AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against USD, Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then, and check out the brokers on the platform right here. Sign up with these brokers and trade separately using my signals in these accounts. Don't mix anything. My signals in a separate account. Do all of that. Subscribe, like, it's all for you. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. And by the way, you can use this analysis for NZD USD as well. I don't record separate videos for NZD USD, so if you wish to trade NZD USD, you can do that based on this AUD USD analysis video. Weekly we are up, that's all we need to know. So in daily, what we have a blue candle which is supposedly going to eat this previous red candle of Friday and make a new high, I believe. Yes, so right now, it's like 3.5 hours to go when the US market will be closing on 16th of June. There's no such movement in US market today, so it's very calm and it's very neutral. So I think this candle will end up creating a new high, and that will be the continuation of the uptrend. So let's see if we have any entry in our 4-hour chart or not. So if you think, or if you see my last video on AUD USD, okay, I think I uploaded that in the weekend. So I told you that last time IUD came below the EMA, but it continued the uptrend, as you can see. And even last Friday, it came on, below the EMA, but it's still continuing the uptrend. Okay, so you can see in 4 hour we have made a new high. So it is the continuation of the uptrend, but I will be an idiot if I enter long right now. So use your fib levels from here till here. You can see here this is the new uptrend, then pullback, then new high. Pullback will happen maybe 38%, so use your fib levels from here till here, then let the pullback happen, which means dollar will go up and the AUD will come down. It may be near the EMA, you might have the rejection, and then you will have the blue candle, and that's where your long will be the entry. Okay, so look for long after the pullback. That's your trade 1:2 ratio, and thank me later. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join the Telegram, and check out the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.